Here I've got REALME 5 Pro, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then you have to scroll a bit down, find and pick additional settings, and now go to date and time. And as you can see here, you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can turn off this option just by tapping here on this switcher, and now you can select time zone. As you can see, you've got plenty of them, so everyone will find something suitable, and then also set the date and time manually by yourself. So that's it. From now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is, and also in which time zone you are staying. You can also activate home screen clock here gadget by tapping here, but you can also switch it off the same way. And finally, you can change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock, or you can pick it to have 12-hour format clock. So it's up to you, just tap here and then it will be changed. So this is it, this is how you can change date and time in your device. Then if you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just go to date and time again and smoothly click here to have automatic date and time. So this is it, this is how you can change the date and time in your REALME 5 Pro. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.